List number, list string and list map are actually array lists. Hey, welcome. This is fourth episode of the series Sketchware for Beginners. If you are new to Sketchware, consider watching previous videos. List number, list string and list map are actually array lists. So what's an array? Arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable instead of declaring separate variables for each value. We are not using array itself, we are using ArrayList. The ArrayList class is a resizable array which can be found in the java.util package. The difference between a built-in array and an ArrayList in Java is that the size of an array cannot be modified. If you want to add or remove elements, you have to create a new one, while elements can be added or removed from an array list whenever you want. In arrays, values are stored against an index number. An array's index starts from 0. For example, this array has index from 0 to 13. That means size of that array is 14. A list map is actually an array of hash maps, which means it holds a lot of maps. So it contains both index number and index key. In Sketchware, we can do a bunch of operations on these arrays or so-called lists, such as adding a value, updating a value, getting a value, or getting the index position of a value. Check if a value exists in the list. Deleting a value. Checking the size of the list and clearing the whole list. We will do a practical on these lists in upcoming videos in the video of list view.